In today's video, we're going to talk about taking a fraction and changing it to a decimal. If you'll find on Canvas that I've already put this triangular chart on there, if you can print it out, that would be great. If not, grab a piece of paper and draw a big giant triangle and start taking some notes. Today, we're just going to learn about going from a fraction to a decimal. The key thing to remember when going from a fraction to a decimal, or even a fraction to percent, is that a fraction is just a division problem. If you can remember that a fraction is just a division problem, then you will know that you can always divide the top number by the bottom number. So let's see some examples of that. So I have 73 hundredths. I'll clear my calculator. So my top number is 73. My bottom number is 100. So I'm going to type 73 divided by 100 equals 0.73. So 73 hundredths is 0.73. 6 over 10 would just be 6 divided by 10, which equals 0.6. 5 over 10 would be 5 divided by 10, which equals 0.5. Just continuing the process, top divided by bottom. 6 divided by 100 is 0.06. 2 over 10 would be 2 divided by 10, which would be 0.2. 38 divided by 100 would be 0.38. 83 over 100 would be 83 divided by 100. Seven over 10 would just be 7 divided by 10. And 8 over 10 would be 8 divided by 10. So all we have to do is remember that a fraction, I can't type, is just a division problem. So we can always go top number divided by bottom number.